Hey y'all, Pro Fox here. Today, I have just made a crazy purchase. I was at my local hardware store, and I bought something for $116. But to start y'all off, here's what I found in the back of a shelf. A 7010 beef that I got for like 12 bucks. So I'm gonna start off with this. As always, easy to open. Got the battery. Alright, we got the battery. We got the manual. Please see manual. The harness, the mounting plate, and the alarm itself. It was made on March 26th of 2024. This is just over a year old. Alright, I'm gonna connect this 9-volt. Yes. Okay. Got it working. Let's test it. Didn't flash its light initially, which got me concerned. Okay. Alright, dying sound. Just a little chirp. Alright, now for the big one. This is a First Alert SC5. I'm actually the first one to buy one. And look at this. This is the hardwire variant, by the way. And there's a reason why I got the hardwire variant. More on that in a little bit. So I'm gonna open it. So a little bit of a fun fact. This serves as the replacement for the First Alert for the Nest Protect. And I guess you could also say the One Link alarms that came before it. You could say. Alright, got it. Alright. Hey, don't see. Nah, I'm just kidding. Alright. Alright, so we have the harness. We have a custom adapter for Nest Protect alarms. It's pretty cool. Definitely an improvement is that they made it compatible with other alarms and not just Nest Protects. The wire nuts, the mounting hardware, which is actually a first, the warning stickers, the mounting plate, the installation manual, please see manual, the owner's manual, please see manual, another piece of the manual, looks like kind of fell up, and a quick start guide, please see manual, and finally, last but not least, the alarm itself. This was made on very dark. This is actually called the SM600 NVAC. August 15th. So this is not even a month old. So here's the battery pack. So let's see if I can. Oh yeah, some of y'all also notice this thing is a behemoth. This thing is massive. Oh, here's the pull pad tab. Put it out in just a second. This thing is like the same size as my RF SM DC. This thing is massive. So let's pull this tab.
Welcome to your first alert smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. For English, press the button now. Ready to pair. Open the First Alert app and follow the instructions to connect your device.
I don't have the app at the moment, but I will set that up after the video.
This is only a test. The alarm will sound. The alarm is loud.
Oh, I'm gonna cover this.
Press to cancel. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Testing smoke.
Sounds a lot like a Sounded a lot like my SM100 VAC. SMCL 100 VAC.
Highest level of carbon monoxide was 0 ppm.
Please see.
Attempting interconnect test. This may take a minute.
So it's gonna do an interconnect test, but I don't have anything connected to it at the moment. Alright.
This is only a...
Alright. See how I put this plate mounting bracket on. Hang on. Alright. Alright, I got it on. So, hopefully y'all like this video. I will see y'all soon. Goodbye.